guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be driving from Manor Park to Southeast London, so sit back, relax and enjoy the ride.
They drive so bad here. Good one. Coming in a love. Coming to know what the race for. You can't even drive fast and then just a rustle. Go along where you go kill yourself, yes sir. And me you go dead today. Cause look, you're in rush and you can't go nowhere. You still have people in front of you. Drive bad, man. So fool. Watch there. All the rush and him can't go nowhere. Such a rush if you stop right here, so you should have get a ticket. All the rush if you come stop right here, so that makes sense. I just wanna love you, babe. Big red bus. My son can't work more for me. Why I'm can't work? Somebody must supposed to ask me for nothing. Trailer you not stay here, so I need to pass you because me and you not staying here. Down below. $50 miles per hour. This at all. You must be crazy. I'm not staying behind you. Not at all. So here we go. Let up on the speed. You know, this is Isle of Dogs. So this area is Isle of Dogs. Wanna hear them name there? England have some weird name, you know. Isle of Dogs. That's it. over the place. Sir, stay one place. Taking the scenery here, lovely view. Dirty, nasty blue van. Could you please call on where you go? Here, because I need to do 50 miles per hour. So this is New Ham Way. I love dogs again. So go down. England is a little circle, you know. Circle, circle. Circle, circle. I need to rush. Slow it down. I love dogs and Canary Wharf, so I need to stay in this lane, these two lanes. So I love dogs, Canary Wharf, A1261. So I need to stay in this lane. Take my time. Them said 30 miles per hour, so girls, speed need to cut. Cut your speed, little girl. Not because this I go slow, you can't cut over, my love. You have to still stay in your lane. Stay in your lane, Lisa. 4.5 miles to go. I love dogs, Canary Wharf, Central London, Blackwall Tunnel, Lima. So I'm going I love dogs, Canary Wharf. So these two lanes I need to stay in. Now we're going under the tunnel. So when you going under the tunnel, you need to drive 30 miles per hour. You have to cut your speed to 30 miles per hour. You need to rush. There's cameras. Start 40 miles per hour. So the City Tower Bridge Road, Wapping. So I'm going Canary Wharf. I want to go this way. Yes. Give way to the people on your right. This is a roundabout. People them can't wait, you know. Sometimes them aggressive and just a blow and a create excitement by you to frighten you. But I make them afraid. And I make them frighten me. And they will make me crash now. Take my time. It's raining. Honestly, England mad weather. Rain just start fall. Rain just start fall. But not able to clean the mirror. Please forgive me. It's a bit dirty. It's a bit dirty. I should have done this long time ago. Am I mad? To make it look clean and nice. Yeah, that's better. It was a bit dirty. I know she want clean when time the video almost done. A mad girl. The video almost done. And I know she want clean the mirror. You ever see nothing like that? Nobody nothing let them over. Let us fix this part today. Under Rotherhithe Tunnel, straight ahead is central London. But we're going under the tunnel. Why did he do that? Does that make sense? Focus time now, because underneath here, very narrow. So, just take your time, Lisa. Slow it down. You gotta slow. Watch out. Get the corner. Slow it down. Yes. Slow it down, take it easy, and then you go. No need to rush because them say 20 miles per hour. If you go faster than 20 miles per hour, it's not good because it's very narrow. say goodbye. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you all enjoyed the ride.